Hello everyone. If the distance between the points 5 comma minus 2 and 1 comma a is 5, find the value of a. So let's suppose here the given point is p. P point is 5 comma minus 2 and q point is 1 comma a, right? So the distance between p and q, which means the distance pq is equal to the length of pq is given as 5 units. Okay, so we have to find what is the value of a. So let's take p coordinates are x1 y1 and q coordinates are x2 y2. Okay, so distance between p and q is equal to, what is the formula we have to use? Distance formula, that is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, the distance between p and q is given as 5, right? So I have written 5. So if I substitute the values, what I will get? Root over x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1 means a minus of minus 2. So it will become a plus 2 whole square is equal to 5. So if I transpose this square root to RHS, it will become a square. Then I will get minus 4 whole square plus a plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. Okay, so now minus 4 whole square is 16 plus a plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. Now a plus 2 whole square is equal to 25 minus 16, I will get 9. So a plus 2 is equal to square root over 9. Okay, so what is the value of square root of 9? Plus or minus 3. Okay, so one time it will be plus and once it will be minus. So if first time if I take a plus 2 is equal to plus 3, then a is equal to 3 minus 2, I will get a is equal to 1. Okay, in the same way, if I take a plus 2 is equal to minus 3, then a is equal to minus 3 of minus 2, so a is equal to minus 5. So therefore the values of a is equal to 1 or minus 5. Thank you.